Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this WDM2 locomotive over here. So now what I'll be doing over here is like we have some changes over here. So let's open a reference over here. So on the other side, as you can see, so I'll just slightly shuffle this a bit over here and I'll select this again, and now what I can do over here is like I'll just put one loop over here. So let's go into this. So select this, let's put one loop in this way, select the polygons, I'll just go over here, I'll shift and drag clone to object. So I can just go over here, again go into this like this and affect pivot only, center to object. So I'll again go over here, select this, I'll scale it and make it straight, select this border, right click, let's cap it and I'll mirror it in x-axis. I can just drag it over here in this way. So select this again, select the vertices, slightly just push it further, and now again over here let's go on to this side. So we can just select this, isolate this, select this polygon and let's just bridge it. So I can just bridge this element, select this and bridge it, right click, let's use a cut over here. So before we do the bridge part, let's first join this. So select this, join it over here. So select the polygons, again right click, cut and join it over here. So select this polygon and let's bridge this, again select this and this, let's bridge it, again let's use a cut over here. So let's just put a cut, let's use a cut over here. So select this both, right click, and you cannot weld this because it is open. You need to close any of the shapes over here. So let's just, before that, let's use a cut over here, select the polygons, let's delete it, so let's just cap it. Okay, anyways, what I'll do over here is like I'll just go over here select this and this, let's just bridge it. So you can just put a swift loop if needed, like this. So select this edges and let's remove the loop, just remove this loops. So let's again go over here and let's connect this cut over here. So that can be done, we can do this. So let's again end isolate this. I'll just save the file once. Now again what I can do over here is, like, if needed I can slightly shuffle it more further, select this, push it further, again select this whole thing, and let's mirror it, copy it in x axis, drag it over here and let's place it. So you can just place this stuff in this way. Alright, now again go over here, let's go to the top view, let's again take a line, drag a line, create a line like this, in this way, and let's end it. Select the vertices, let's select the, give it a bit of fillet, so give it a fillet. So it happens sometimes, so you can just take a rectangle, that would be a better option. Convert to spline, let's delete this, select the vertices and give a bit of fillet again. So once you have assigned a fillet, slightly just make sure it is in the line of this particular stuff. So rendering, enable in viewport, that's 0.96 I guess, 0.7, so 0.7, push it up in this way. So now again go over here, we'll take this, let's just duplicate it, so just mirror it, copy it in x axis, drag it over here, push it in this way. So if you see this, it is going to be like this, and from the front push it a bit inside. So let's just delete it, or I can just take this, make it as a, set it as 90 degree over here, drag it over here, alright. So push it out, so select the vertices, adjust it in this way. So I'll just delete it, drag it up, drag it out, and again I'll mirror it in y-axis. So make a copy of it, select the vertices, slightly just push it inside a bit. Alright, so once it is done, again we have the same thing. Let's just take a copy of it, so we don't need to create it again. So let's again take a copy of it in x-axis, just drag it over here on the other hand. So slightly push this out, alright, and drag this on the other side. So there are multiple things over here. Again let's take one more swift loop over here and select this, slightly shuffle it up till here. So select this polygons, slightly give a bit of inset. So I'll just assign a bit of inset over here, and let's extrude it a bit inside. Alright. So let's go over here, again take a box. So I'm not going to create it right from that part. So I'll just take this over here, I'll just scale it, again scale it down a bit, again rotate it, scale it, alright. So convert to poly, again push it a bit in this way, drag it inside, slightly scale it, and we'll rotate it a bit up over here. So just go over here, push it a bit inside, and just drag it down. So these are too much, not keep that much over here. We'll slightly drag this much. Now this is okay. So I'll again select this and let's delete this. So whatever extras are there, we can just remove that. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So it's a long way to go. There's a lot of things left. So we'll be covering up each and everything step by step. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.